So in today's video we are going to learn the basics of English.
Learn common words first. Some common words are written on the board. You can practice them by pronouncing the words.
Many people say that you have to perfect grammar, otherwise you will not be able to speak English. Yes, they are correct. But you have to speak English, whether you say it correctly or incorrectly.
There are three types of English mostly used. First, family words. Second, working words. And third, routine words.
Family words are those words that are used for our family members.
Words that are used for working is known as working words.
Words that are used in our daily life are called routine words.
Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like our video, and if you are new at this channel, then please subscribe.